哇！啲桔仔真係食到上癮嘅喎，我而家食到，覺得好好食。咁
好好食，俾多個你食啊！
咩啊？
好好食，俾多個嚟食。
我整好你話想食，而家
係啊，攞
想唔
去啊
俾你話咁樣咁時候咁，大佬次次整完你話頭先又要食唔食？人哋而家整咗就話要食。OK OK，誒，she say what in English what happened you say? She want my she now I peel it out she want it. When I don't peel it out she doesn't want it. You know? OK 俾你啦，算你啦。大人嘅大量 OK。肚裏邊可以撐船 OK 俾你。OK 咁我自己食多個啦 OK。我唔係講笑喎，大家 this cutie， 佢係咪真係叫 cutie 啊喂？This cutie like came 係咪真係 ？Yeah，this cutie Clementine 真係好鬼好食話，食到我唔停得口啊！It's good，OK，OK，it's so good. Before I joking around, okay, with her, okay, about we both. She doesn't have diabetes, I don't have diabetes, okay, okay. So, but so good, okay. It's so good. Oh my goodness. I think I should save a couple of them, okay, okay. 留翻3、4個先啊，留翻3、4個喺度啦。唔好食晒 OK。留翻3個喺度啦最多食多個俾你啦，要唔要啊？俾多個你要唔要啊？OK，謝謝。I save 3。Oh my goodness, look at her。
非常好吃。
咩啊？she says 非常好吃，very very good, very sweet. Okay, she want another one, so I had to peel it off for her. Okay. 自己唔識，你唔可以自己漂嘅咩？
懶啊嘛。
哦，終於承認佢係懶啊。OK，嗱，俾你啦，we see with 2 hand. I give it to you 2 hand too. Look, I give it with you 2 hand. Here, I give it you 2 hand. 好得啦，嗱2個手俾你啦 ，OK。你做人要有禮貌啊 ，OK。
Thank you, thank you.
OK。You're welcome。新年快樂 ，OK。嗱，整多個mellow gold for 你啊 ，OK。Basically, mellow gold is like grapefruit and other fruit mixed together, okay? It's a mixed fruit, okay? Grapefruit and 係咪 orange 卷到 grapefruit 係 mix 啊？我唔知道，OK。3蚊咩？3個5蚊抵食啊！喺邊度揾啊？